I'm going to show you how fast ExpressVPN is. Now, if you don't know what ExpressVPN is, it's probably the #1 VPN out there right now, and I've got a link down below so you can get that. Why would you need a VPN? To protect your internet security. That means no one can take your private data without your permission. Now, I'm going to run a speed test for you today to show you how fast it is when connected compared to just, say, my normal fiber Wi-Fi. So let's get into it. All right, guys, you can see here on the left, I've got my internet speed test, and on the right-hand side, I've got ExpressVPN up there connected to my computer. Now, I'm going to pick a random country. So let's go with United Kingdom. That's where I'm from. I'm actually sat in Indonesia right now. Actually, I'm going to change it to Australia. Let's just do that because you might think I'm sat in the UK. So I'm in Indonesia right now, okay, and I'm not connected to anything. I am going to connect to the United Kingdom very soon. But first, let me show a speed test of my Wi-Fi. Now, in Indonesia, it's not renowned for the fastest Wi-Fi, but I've got pretty good Wi-Fi, I would say. So let's go for the download speed. We're looking at maximum 130-ish if this stops right now. Okay, 131.7, and for an upload speed, we're looking at about 69. Where's that going to stop? Maybe 70? Can we push the 70 mark? Let's have a look. 70.7. So remember then, 131 and 70. Now, we're going to connect to the smart location of Indonesia, okay? All I do here is click smart location. This picks one of the fastest around me, and then I'm going to run my speed test, okay? And you can see here, we are moving up. So we were at 131 before. We're now looking at 126, 127. Let's have a look at this. 124. So guys, that is pretty close to 131. We've dropped what? Just under 7, okay, of MPBS. That is incredible. Upload speed does look like it's a little bit lower, right? 28, but again, that is really good. To say we are connected through a second Wi-Fi source with a different IP, that is pretty fast. And that's why ExpressVPN is an ultimate game changer when looking to buy a VPN. Now, if you want to hit that link down below this video, you're going to get a better price than you would going straight to the website, and you can check that out for yourself. Get that link hit, get ExpressVPN, and be protected when you're surfing the internet. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.